ulam namin yung manok. Native na manok. Hi guys, this is me and this is you. Welcome to my cooking series vlog. Ayan, magluluto tayo ngayon ng native na manok gamit ang ampalaya tsaka kamatis. So ayan guys, start na tayo mag-cutting. Tayong sibuyas tsaka luya. Itong bawang red, isa.